The Hccsport 3-in-1 treadmill is an impressive piece of equipment that combines the functionality of a desk treadmill, a folding treadmill, and a portable treadmill, making it ideal for multitasking between work and exercise. Equipped with a powerful 3.5 horsepower motor, this treadmill is capable of supporting weights of up to 300 pounds and reaching speeds up to 8 miles per hour, providing a robust workout experience. With adjustable incline settings and 6 shock absorbers, this treadmill ensures a smooth and comfortable workout, reducing joint impact and allowing users to tailor their exercise intensity. Its compact and lightweight design makes it perfect for small spaces, such as apartments or dorm rooms, while still providing a generous running area for users. The treadmill's foldable design and built-in wheels ensure it can be moved and stored effortlessly, making it a convenient addition to any home gym setup. The removable desk workstation feature allows users to convert the treadmill into a walking desk, promoting an active lifestyle while working from home.